everyone, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia, back with Friendship Any Day. This is hosted by Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic. I'm so behind checking my P.O. box, and today I'm going to be opening up some mail that I picked up from there. Real quick, just wanted to show you this adorable bird trivet that I had thrifted recently from Savers. I love it, and it's perfect for the holiday season. But yeah, let's get to the mail. I have two, not only one, but two. One from Creating with Jovi. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Let's open this first one. Jovi and I recently did a gratitude collab, and that was so much fun. Oh my gosh, look at this. So let's see what she sent. It says, Dear Kara, sending lots of hugs to keep you warm this fall. Your friend, Jovi. And it's a Thanksgiving card. So thank you very much, Jovi. Love it. But she has also included some items in this cute little Thanksgiving pocket. So let's see what's in here. I love it. Oh my gosh. A pocket within a pocket. And look at that. There is a bird. She made the most beautiful bird journal last time she hosted her giveaway, and I was just in love with it. I forget who won, but whoever did, they're so lucky. It was such a beautifully made journal. So make sure to check out Jovi's channel. That's the back of that. And she also does some amazing digital kits. Wow, I love this. I'm going to add this to my December daily for sure. So I'm going to put that right there. We have one more, and I'm guessing this is for the Christmas holiday. I love that snowman. I'm actually going to cut that out and add it to my journal as well. So here it is. Knowing someone like you. Love the peppermint. Let's open it up and see. So we have a card here. Dear Kara, wishing you a wonderful season filled with joy. Love, Merry Christmas, Jovi. Thank you very much. And look, she's included some embossed papers, which will be perfect backgrounds. We have an index tab, kind of folder style, a tag. Here's one with some words, cheer, elf. Oh, I like the birchwood embossing on this one. Some ornaments. This is just amazing. Thank you very much, Jovi. Oh my gosh. So the next happy mail I got is from Marissa, the happy fun size crafter. Sorry about that. I was distracted, but look at the cute Charlie Brown stamps. Let's open it up. She has been super sweet, and she's also put some washi with our nutcrackers. She's been really sweet and very consistent about mailing all of us crafty friends some happy mail, and I really enjoy seeing what she makes. She makes really beautiful cards. And I've used some of the die cuts that she's gifted to me in the past for some of my projects. So let's put that there. It says Made with Love by Marissa. You see that? Yeah, that's cute. Oh my goodness. It's a Gingy girl. I love the way you put her together, and that teal blue dress is so gorgeous. Merry, happy, and peace. And oh my gosh, I'm gonna read her notes separately. I don't have my glasses, and they're written in like different colored ink, but thank you so much, Marissa. I love it. But look what she added. We have the ugly sweater envelopes, and wouldn't this be fun to put in a journal and then put a little tag to write on? Love it. And then here's another one with a top loading pocket. That is too cute. I love it. Thank you so much. Now I have two more. This next one is from Sugar Ray Crafts. She just recently concluded her painted paper giveaway. And if you guys missed it and want to see what she received, please make sure to check out her channel. She also has awesome flip-throughs of her completed journal. She does a card making series in her channel and some hauls. So it's really fun. I'll link all of these ladies' channels down below. But I'm not sure what this is. It's definitely Happy Mail. So let me surprise Happy Mail. So from everyone. Oh my gosh, Chelsea, what is this? Let's see what she put. So we have a card. Let me read the card first. Oh, look at that. This is a handmade card. So this is somebody's handmade card that she has used. And I love that because when we get gifted these cards, it's always wonderful to make use of them. So let me read what she wrote real quick. That's so sweet of you to share. So Chelsea had said that this was a part of a package that she had received, but she wasn't really sure she could use it. She wanted to share this item with me. So let's see what it is. Oh my gosh, Chelsea, thank you. I am gonna open it up. Oh my goodness. Oh, how cute. I am definitely gonna share some of these enamel pins with some of my crafty friends. Oh my gosh, let me get a plate so we can show you what's in here. This is definitely something I like. This is a suit sprite from the Studio Ghibli movie Totoro. So let's get a little plate here to show you. So here are some of the enamel pins that came, and we have that keychain. So these two characters are from a Japanese animated film called Totoro, and that's the main character. So thank you so much, Chelsea. I really love this. I love pandas. And you're right, I do love all these cuties. I'm going to be sharing these with my kids and some of my friends. I think they're going to have fun adding it to their bags or backpacks. So thank you very much. That was super, super sweet, but there are a couple more items. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love it. It's My Melody, and you can put your little commuter card in there. You can bring your carry card, whatever you would like. I love it. Thank you so much. It's one of my favorite Sanrio characters. That was so sweet. And then this last item, let me just take it out of the bag. Here it is, another My Melody, but what is in here? Oh, I love it. Chelsea, that is super sweet of you to think of me. I love Sanrio, and My Melody is actually my favorite character. I love it so much. Thank you very much. Oh my gosh. This is so sweet of you to share. I love that. I have one more package, guys, and this is from a longtime crafty friend who I enjoy watching, especially when she does her DIY cards and shares. I love it because she shares what supplies she used and then actually does it and uses it on her cards. My favorite series that she's had recently in her channel is her Dollar Tree sticker cards. You have to see how she uses them in her DIY cards. They are gorgeous. So let's open this up. Oh my gosh, Felicia, what is this? I love the marble print. What do we have here? I can use this for my traveler's notebook. Oh my gosh, she has gifted me some fun items in here that I can definitely use in my journal. Check out these boho style indie blue tassels. I love that. Oh my gosh. We have this one with the Indian theme, and this is perfect. I'm going to be working on something for that. And denim, look at these denim pieces. This will work well with our clusters. So thank you very much. And then there are a few more items in here. Oh my gosh. This is so sweet. Oh my gosh, you did not. She bought a antique ephemera. I'm trying to read it's from Colorado, 1909. Let me take these out of the bag. So here's the first one, 1911 postcard. This is from Colorado. That is pretty awesome. I love this. This is so cool. And here's another one from December 4th, 1909. And I'm trying to see. So these are like receipt type postcards, which is really interesting. That's really cool. And it gives you a total. It's almost like they sent a receipt out via postcard. That is amazing. Thank you so much for sharing these. I know that Felicia had taken a wonderful trip to Northern California recently, and I'm sure she had fun. I hope to meet you crafty friends. That's really my dream. Again, I keep saying this, but then it's all about timing. But here she's also included some Heidi Swap stickers, and I love her sticker packs. And what do we have here? Oh my gosh, these are beautiful cut apart tags. This is perfect. I want to make a zigzag kind of accordion style tag journal, and I will definitely use these. And I love the colors. We have some pinks and oranges, which will go perfectly. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful paper. I forget which paper pad she had gotten this from, but I'm sure if we go back to the channel, we can find that there. I love it. She has also used some of these in her card making, and it's just amazing. So thank you very much. Check that out. That is so awesome. I love it. Thank you. I love butterflies as well. Another friend of mine that loves butterflies is BB's Closet Creations. Actually, I grew up seeing my mom who really admired butterflies, so she really left an impression on me. So when my mom visits, we love to capture pictures of butterflies if it's springtime, and we love butterflies. They're just beautiful. So thank you very much, Felicia. Again, guys, check out these wonderful ladies' channels. I will link all their channels down below in the description box. Marissa has an Instagram, so she posts most of her makes on Instagram. So I'll put her Instagram in the description box as well. Thanks again for watching, guys. Next time, I'm hoping to open up a 12 Days of Christmas Advent calendar with you, and also do maybe a weekly flip through of my December daily. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.